Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 65 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. In this issue, we're continuing from where we left off last time with the interior and putting the floor panel down. Well, not actually putting it down. We're attaching the bulkhead to the floor panel with the pedals and stuff. The puzzles are coming. We've got the Puzzler. I don't remember the Puzzler. Not the Riddler. It's different. This is episode 65. When did this air? December 21st, 1966. Coming to the end of 66. Is that going to be season 3 in 67? Is that the way it works? Not sure. It's the one where Batman and Robin are tied up and set skyward in a hot air balloon. Horror of horrors. Is there no escape? No. There we go. Looking through other parts. Batman 95. Again. To Riddler. Yeah, that's a Riddler. That's not the Puzzler. He's different. Poison Ivy. Good stuff. So yes, this is the front bulkhead on the interior floor. So we're just fitting the bulkhead to the floor. Very, very easy. Not a problem. Protect the small parts as you fit the bulkhead to the interior. Be careful not to push the footrest and the pedals out of position. So that's it. 2 screws. All we've got to do today. Fit that onto that. And then I think next time we're starting building up the center console. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get this put together. So there we have our new part, the floor panel, apart from last time, which goes on there a bit like that. What have we got? We've got 2 pins and 2 screws. So we get the pins lined up like that. And then we'll turn it over. Get these 2 screws in the right place. Get 2 of them out of the bag. Carefully hold that in position. As it said, being careful not to dislodge the pedals. We get 1 in that side, or not, as the case may be. One in there. Get it in a little bit. Come back and tighten it up once the other one is secure as well. In there. There we go. So there we have it. That is almost completed. Tight, so it's not wobbling around anywhere. Feeling like that's tightening up anywhere. Maybe I haven't got it lined up quite right. Feels better. Go, that's that secure. Come over and do the other side again. There we go. 1 interior, almost good to go. So that's that. Next time, I don't know if we're dealing with this or something separate, but either way, we'll be getting to it very soon. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.